Hi, I'm Derek Bolduc. Do you need to sell your home but you're confused about this overheated market? Now's your chance to schedule a no-obligation appointment with Jason Clarke to decide which option is right for you. I trust Jason Clarke, and you can too. Now, ask Jason Clarke about his system for netting top dollar for your current home while ensuring a stress-free transition into your new home. Jason has 1,814 buyers in his database, and your home may already be sold. Go to jasonhasthebuyers.ca. When it came time for Scott and Chelsea to sell their home in Harrowsmith, they were feeling stressed because it was their first time selling a home, and they didn't know where to start. So they called Jason Clarke. Jason was there within 24 hours. He listened to their needs, guided them through the stress-free process, and he brought them 3 offers and had their home sold for full asking price in just 14 days. The timing of the closing worked out perfectly for everyone. Google Jason Clarke or go to jasonhasthebuyers.ca.